What's up guys, welcome to ABAUTO. Today we're going to be taking the CLA45s out on a fun drive. As you can see, it's a really foggy day here in England. It's also really cold and icy too, so this is going to be a great way to test out the car's traction in race mode. Now I have driven quite a bit of race mode, so I'm a bit more confident, but I still think this is going to be a terrifyingly fun drive. Now we can't start this drive without, of course, doing an AMG emotion start. So there we have it guys, that is the POV Drive in race mode in thick fog and icy roads. I'm not going to lie, this was terrifyingly fun to film, but I just love driving this car. Every time I take it out, I pop it in race mode now, and it's just such a blast. And I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you're liking the new point of view setup. I've been practicing because I really wanted to get the right angle. I wanted to make sure I included the road so you could see where I'm going, but I also wanted to make sure you could see all the lovely interior in the car. So yeah, so this was so much fun to film. I absolutely love filming these videos. So there's going to be loads more POV drives to come. We're going to do manual mode. We're going to go around some roundabouts. Of course, we're going to do launch control. We haven't actually done launch control yet. I've been saving it. Really need to find a nice safe road because I really want to make the best of it, and I want to film my first reaction to launch control, so you're going to see that. And of course we're going to be launching my wife Becky as well, so we're going to get her reaction. So if you haven't already guys and you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button because that really helps me in the channel out. It helps YouTube share this video with more people, and you know, I just really appreciate it. And of course guys, if you don't want to miss all the really exciting content that's coming on this car and other Mercedes stuff, but mostly the CLA45s, hit that subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. The channel has just hit 15,000 subscribers, which I am amazed with. I'm so blessed. I've worked so hard on these videos, and it's so nice to see the channel grow this year. I just absolutely love making videos, and yeah, I just can't thank you guys enough for tuning in, subscribing and supporting the channel. So again guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you next time.